Eaves and soffits are prime entry points for birds, bats, squirrels, and other wildlife, so implement pest exclusion during new home construction to prevent infestations later. During framing and finishing, install durable stainless steel or aluminum screens and closure strips sized to fit common vent openings and fasteners, cutting and bending them to match rafter tail profiles so there are no gaps larger than 1/4 inch. Use vented Soffit baffles that incorporate corrosion-resistant wire mesh to allow airflow while blocking animals from entering the attic. Position baffles directly behind vents and secure them to framing with corrosion-resistant fasteners so they cannot be dislodged by wind or animals. Seal all seams and corners with paintable exterior-grade polyurethane caulk and add flashing where two materials meet, running the flashing under siding and over the soffit edge to create a continuous barrier. Inspect exposed rafter tails and fascia for any signs of rot or damage, and replace compromised pieces with treated or rot-resistant species before installing screens, because soft wood can be pushed aside by persistent wildlife. Where local regulations allow, install visual predator deterrents such as rafter perches placed away from the house, and use one-way exclusion funnels only during permitted seasons so animals can leave but not return. Schedule initial inspections at project completion and then annually in spring and after major storms, checking for new gaps, loose fasteners, and pest activity, and documenting findings with photos and notes for future contractors. Homeowners often leave vents undersized or use soft screening that degrades, so choose metal mesh and verify dimensions before installation to avoid gaps. Another common error is sealing without addressing underlying rot, which leads to fastener failure and recurring entry points, so always replace damaged wood first and allow it to dry before sealing. Builders sometimes skip post-construction inspections, which lets small failures grow into large infestations, so set a recurring inspection schedule and keep a simple checklist of fastener integrity, mesh condition, and signs of animal activity. We operate bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors for eaves and soffit pest exclusion and to help contractors find work. We also host an active discussion community where we and other members exchange installation tips, product recommendations, and inspection checklists.